What are boundary disputes? Have you ever wondered how property lines can lead to disagreements between neighbors? Boundary disputes are exactly that. They occur when neighboring property owners disagree about where their property lines are located. This can happen for several reasons, often due to unclear or inaccurate property surveys. Sometimes, the legal descriptions in deeds may conflict, leading to confusion. Encroachments can also spark these disputes. For instance, if a fence or structure crosses onto a neighbor's land, it can create tension. Additionally, disagreements about how land is used along the boundary can contribute to these conflicts. From the perspective of real estate investing, boundary disputes can have a significant impact. They can lower property values, complicate transactions, and lead to costly legal battles. Investors should be aware that standard title insurance policies usually do not cover boundary disputes unless they are explicitly noted as a title defect. Title insurance mainly protects against past ownership defects or liens. To safeguard against boundary conflicts, investors may need to seek additional endorsements, such as extended coverage or survey coverage. Resolving boundary disputes typically involves several steps. The first step is negotiation, where property owners communicate directly to agree on the boundary line. Sometimes, this may involve compensation or land swaps to reach a mutual agreement. If negotiation does not work, mediation can be the next step. A neutral third party can help facilitate a resolution, often with legal counsel involved. However, mediation does not result in a binding decision. If mediation fails, arbitration may be the next option. In this case, a court-approved arbitrator hears both sides and issues a final, binding decision on the boundary. If all else fails, litigation may be necessary. This involves taking the dispute to court, where a judge will determine the official property line. This option is usually the most expensive and time-consuming. Title insurance can play a vital role in boundary disputes. It can cover legal expenses and potential losses related to title defects, errors in surveys, or undisclosed easements. Insurance companies conduct thorough title searches before issuing policies to identify potential boundary issues. For investors, having the right title insurance coverage and carefully reviewing surveys and title reports before making a purchase is essential. This helps mitigate risks associated with boundary disputes. In summary, boundary disputes are conflicts over property lines that can affect ownership rights and property values. Understanding how to identify, prevent, and resolve these disputes is important in real estate investing. This knowledge helps protect investments and ensures smoother transactions.